Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. So I will show the technique how to find the solution of this equation. Before we solve the equation, we need to do about find the domains. So we have the domain in here. X minus 3 should be greater than or equals to 0. And the next one is about this one, should be greater than or equals to 0. So this should be S is greater than or equals to number 3. Then we put the square in the both sides. So we got about x minus 2 multiplied with the square root of x minus 3 equals to 16. We put negative 2 on the right, so you got about 18. So we put x on the right. We have the negative, so we change. We multiply negative 1 and negative 1 in here. Because x is greater than or equal to number 3, so in this situation, this number in here should be greater than 0 because the square root provide to the positive number, so this one cannot be about a negative number. Now we can put the square in the both sides. We got about 4x minus 12 equals to x squared minus 36x plus 324. We put 4x and negative 12 on the right. So we can find the solution in here. Let's see about x equals to 28. So we accept because this is greater than 18 and x equals to 12. We need to reject because that is smaller 18. So the solution of this equation is about 28. That's the end. Thank you for watching.